Okay, everyone, let's close that first, okay? Let's go to what we were doing. I need to rebuild this one. No, this one. Yep, I need to completely rebuild this because I was drunk or something and made an Eldritch Horror. Okay. Let's ju let's just move this to the side. I'm gonna let's not do that. I would like I would like to duplicate the event, but it doesn't look like I can. Okay, so the first thing I want to check if it's a flea, just like this one. There's nothing wrong with this, so I'm going to take it. Come on. If button name is flea. Okay. Okay. So next I do need to grab the box I want to add the buttons to. This should be mostly fine to move. Why do we do this? There we go. So if it's not fully, get the box to add the children to. What's this? Yes, I need that format. What's in text supposed to be? Oh, okay, you're supposed to be the category. I see. So I need to make sure the category is equal to one of these. Which means I should copy options and paste it into the new one I made just to make sure they're spelled the exact same way. Just in case. Why can I not rename you? Hello? There we go. So display name I'm going to have another format text. And text, which would be this. Okay, to text. And then does not exist. Just so I can know if it's trying to find something and then what it's trying to find. Uh, let's delete that. I'll move this back here because I'm going to use that again at some point. Okay, so this is the So after it finds the one I want to add to, I need to these are all in the way. I need to come down here and build the buttons. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I'll leave it there because I do need to check if children. That might be useful. I think it's checking if the main options is the button, so it doesn't, so it's hiding them. I'm not quite sure about that. I know it's hiding them after you click a button, but that kinda needs rebuilt. This one's fine though, has children. If it has children, it will just set it to visible. Set visibility. Visible. If it doesn't have children, that means it needs to build the buttons, which is right here. But this thing right here is faulty. So overall, it's fine. I just need to rethink that part. Oops. Let's move this over. What's this one doing? This is making the spacer for each button. I don't need... What? Why do I need that? Well, I know why I need the spacer, but why is there two of these? I don't know. Okay, so let's go here. If it doesn't, it needs to get the button, only the buttons that match the category name of the box. So if this is equal to the display name of this display name, okay, I just realized what this did. If I click another one, it does hide it, and that's what prevents buttons from overlapping, so I need to add the spec. I thought I had it somewhere else, but no, this would be it. Okay, I think that should... Let's check to see if that did anything, because I basically just moved it with like 2 or 3 changes. Okay, it will not bring up the menu. Let's bypass this and see what happens. Okay, yeah, that's not the problem. So it's probably having trouble. It's not saying it's not found, so it is setting it. Goes down here. Okay, so it's still right here, that's the problem. So the display naming category is not matching with the physical options. That's the attack. What did I name them? What is AO? Attack option, I see. So open attack menu, category attack. So then you have physical attacks. So from these buttons, I need to open their respective menu. Oh, wait, hold up. I know I forgot to add something. Would this help if I added it? Would that change anything? Because if it does, I will need to rethink what I just built. Button pressed, category, button index. I hope this does not change the outcome of the menus. Okay, that's great. Okay. So that is only the player effects. I don't have to worry about that for now. Before I do this, I'm going to use the restroom. I'll be right back. I thought I had music, but apparently not, so it's just going to be uh silence. Oh, wait, no, I think I got a solution. Okay, I'm back. So let's see where it fails at. Let's try here. Let's see if this is what's failing. If the engine will accept, there we go. Huh, so it's not failing right there. Okay, I see. So maybe it's just not finding the buttons because there's a slight name difference somewhere. Actually, I can check that if I put it right here. No, because if it was right there, it would have created a button. So then let's check right here. Nope. Okay. Okay, I think I see why that was that way. If this brings up those other buttons. No, it does not. Okay, never mind. Let's get category name format. Let's go up here. Let's take this. No, really? I thought that would have. Up here, okay, let's see this. Does flee work? I didn't even check that. I should probably check that. It does, okay. Let's undo that for a second. Okay. For each of the button options, I need to see if the category name is equal to the display name of this. Is the display name not going through? Oh, it's not even getting that far. Where is it stopping then? Right here? I see. Okay, that makes sense. If the button is main menu options or the one I already have, it will do nothing. Let's just bypass that. Okay, that didn't. Where did that one fail then? It has any children? The only thing I can think is that this thing is not getting changed appropriately. I see. So let's add some more. Let's change something. Okay. Category name. Main options. I want it to open the attack options. Okay, let's just duplicate this and do next cat name. I mean, this will be support, main option support, so it will be support. This will be physical. Nope, this will, yeah, physical, maybe? No, I don't have this one set up. Support, main option flee, main option attack. It's next. It should be attack. Attack option, its next should be magical attack. This should be physical. Attack. And then these are the attacks themselves. Okay. So, button, I need to add a new input. Okay, yeah, this. There. Can I move you up? Okay, no, it's just going to be like that. Then apply button pressed. I'll get that later. Name button. Yeah, I do need another one. I need that to be like that. This needs to be a variable. I need to make sure the value is getting passed on wherever it needs to. Where does it get out here is okay. So let's switch it to this one and see how that works. Okay, so it is physical attack options does not exist, attack options does not exist, support does not exist. Fascinating. So that is actually progress. Attack options does not exist. So did I name something wrong? MO, MO, MO attack. Next should be attack options. Attack options does not exist. That's right there. Is it included in the... Yes, it is right there. Okay, let's see here. So attack options does not exist. Unless this is spelled slightly different. OPTIONS, nope. So none of those exist apparently. Let's reconstruct. Because maybe it's trying to access it a little bit too fast, so let's try this. Okay, nope. Let's see where all the hellos are coming from. If I had to guess, it would be right. What's this? Encounter started. So that's failing, that's not happening. So right here, is this what it's failing at? Not. It'll just be not, I suppose. Okay, that was not it. I guess that makes me slightly happy that's not up at the top. So it is getting through. It's getting through down right here. So it's trying to create the buttons, but it's not getting this. Category name, that's probably because I need to switch that. Okay, so it got rid of that error, so I just need to figure out why the detection is not quite good. Options, for each option it will check if it's the same as the next category. It's copy options. Okay, I can't name it right there, I forgot. That's not correct, I meant to do this one. Let's copy that word. And let's do only one right here. Yes. So there's no invisible space. So maybe it's searching for the word does since there's no space there. Or maybe that's just how I accidentally formatted it. That's just how I accidentally formatted it. Let's double check that name. ATTACK attack options. That should exist though. Unless you are having an issue with some accessibility thing. Nope. There's no settings for you to have an issue with. You're delusional. Okay, maybe it's MO attack. It will expect attack. Is there a space inside of you? Do you have like a space at the end or something? Nope. Display name. That's right. This is wrong. I should be checking. Oh, I am checking the display name. Or object name, rather. In text options, next cat, in text. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. But you still fail. Okay, let's see what this is trying to output. I don't care, Visual Studio, go away. So it's just outputting options, it's not outputting... That's strange. That would explain it. So the end text is blank, so the category is it's checking is blank, which would explain why it's not working. But where's that gap? That's getting set. That's getting passed. That's fine. Oh, this is not getting passed right here. That's not the correct one. Next. Why did I select index? Get next cat. Okay. Well, that's not. I mean, at least it spawned something, but that's not correct. So when it spawns something, it's checking the string, the next category name is equal to the current display name. Hmm. Do I get a lot of hellos then? Come on, there we go. Oh, my mouse froze. There we go. Yes, a ton of hellos. That's not going to work in the long term. This right here. Okay, so button options, it checks if button options is equivalent to the category name, and then it's building a button based on the name of the name with the category of the category. So this one should be this category plus options. And there we go. And then if it does not have a category, that means it's an action. I didn't set those up, that's correct. I only set up physical. Um, I don't like how it's hidden, but I don't have the luxury to change that. I need to get moving on a bunch of stuff really quick. It's a physical attack, that's fine. So I completely forgot what wasn't right. Attack, physical, yes, attack, magic. So I need to set magic attacks. MA, here we go. Nope, this should be MO. Main option, nope. Why did I have to name everything so stupidly? Attack options, physical, magical, that works. So MA attack, these don't have. So this should work. I don't know why it doesn't. Let's analyze only the physical attacks because they work for some reason. PA, Pierce, physical attack, that's correct. Slash physical attack, yeah. Magical attack, no next category, that's great. Okay, so then attack options, physical. Am I missing the next category? No, I am not. Let's check the name then. Where did the widget go? There it is. Can't change it here. Keep forgetting about that. Oh, That's probably why it's not where it's supposed to be. That's not what I meant to do. Position, there we go. And I'll move that over. Nope. Nope. I'm clicking all the wrong things. This will be moved over like right there-ish. Okay. Okay. I was blabbing, but I was muted. So it was off screen. That's probably why it didn't work. No, actually will not. Never mind. Let's rename you just in case. Double check that. So it's not setting this how it's supposed to. So that's not being set. Or set appropriately, rather. Attack options, physical options. Yeah, so it's not setting that for some reason. Oh, I know why I don't have you inside the array. A fatal flaw on my part. Easy fix. That should solve the problem. There we go. So let's get the support options. This would be support options. Duplicate. Physical support options. Let's get you where you need to go. There's a fine. Then you would go right. There-ish. Physical. Magical. Your position needs reset. You would go about right there and then over about yay far. So physical action, so support options. Okay, physical support. Physical support. Magical support. Physical support, defend. Magical support and defend. This is 12. This one will be, that one can be 12. This one will be 13. But a name, this will be defend is, this will be block. Description, block a proportion of physical damage. Shield. Shield proportion of magical damage. Let's make sure these are added to an array. That's not what I meant to do. That's the wrong one. Physical support. Magical support. Attack, physical, okay, attack, magic, okay, support, physical. Nope. Attack, magic, nope. Physical support options. So it just didn't create the button. Why did you not create the button? Support. Yes, that's correct. Support options. It hits me with the not. Return, well, let's check the naming. Yeah, that would have been a problem. I meant to change this one instead. Okay, nope. Yep. Yep. No, okay. A 0.2 modifier value, that's fine. Magical support. Control V. That matches. That matches. That matches. Okay. Set this. Okay. This right here, it's not getting set. So that gets set to attack, that gets set to physical, attack, magical, support. Oh, it does get set to physical. Fascinating. So then why do you... Huh. I am completely bamboozled. The attack works just fine. Oh. Does this name mismatch or something? Nope, that's the exact same. Physical support. Huh. There has to be a name difference somewhere. Next category. No, that's correct. No, there doesn't seem to be a naming difference like I thought. Where did oh, it's in here. So the only thing I have to go off of is it hit me with this. But that should return true. Unless I check this, I guess I could try that. support, physical, main support, main support, main. Physical. Fascinating. It just doesn't like the support. SO, AO. That's practically the same. MA, PS. It's the exact same, so why do you not work? That shouldn't have any effect, but why did okay. Froze for a second, don't know why. So that's going to give me a ton of hellos. Let's get the button name along with it so I can look for the specific button. It will be block or shield depending on which one I press. Physical. I'm so stupid, I understand now. It's always the easy and small things I forget. I haven't included you in options yet. So, what are you? You're SP and PM or MP or MS, I think it is. There is. Easiest thing to solve ever. There we go. Okay. Let's apply the button I pressed now. Most simple solution ever, but cannot grab that. So this, what's this? That can just be destroyed. So I need you Okay, yeah, I guess this can be checked very first. If name category index, if the next category is equal to nothing, that means it's an action and it should send a value to the player. Let's just toss that right there. If it's not empty, it will search for whatever. Let's get rid of these print strings everywhere. Okay. So now the value should be passed pretty easily. Attack, physical attack, slice, or pierce rather. Yep. Support, physical block. Oh, I guess that doesn't really do anything. I didn't set up an action value for it. And then you should die now. Nope. A little more health. And there we go. Flee. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I know exactly what's happening though. It's considering it as an attack, so I need to find the flee option. Here it is. And there we go. That's not what I meant to do. I need to make the player accept more of these things. Two player. Where is it? There it is. Apply pressed. This will be... No, I don't need to do that. Never mind. It's setting the action value. I need... Where's the time setup also? Here it is. So pause timers allow attack. I'll need to push this over a little bit. Attack time. This needs to be a float. I need to set this up also somewhere. Where is it? Here it is. Attack time. Let's put that at 3. Let's put that at 1. Okay. I did not apply it to anything. And then I need to take it to the timer also. Okay, right there. Is it getting reset anywhere that I need to be concerned about? No. Yes, there's right here. I guess I could have searched for this. Where's the final one at? Nowhere. Okay. That should be all. I need to fix the timer because I deactivated it or something. Attack time. Right here. So I like accidentally hid all these outlines, which was not what I intended to do. Yeah, I have no idea what that did. Well, I don't even know how I accidentally hid all the outlines to everything. Unless I hit a hotkey, is there like a view? No. Was it somewhere here? There we go. G. I see. Let's move all of these slightly down, not size. Can I not? Okay, I guess I can't do the multiple at once. Oh well. Okay. Okay, so now it's pretty obvious that they're misaligned. They're going to stay misaligned for now. Okay. I guess I could size all of these to the content. See if that helps the alignment. Not really. Okay. So I need a player to know. I need the player to know how much health and mana they have. I'll create 2 more progress bars, 1 on top, 1 on bottom. Battle Wedge Compone. Where are you? That's not alright. I thought it was you. What, is it you? Yes, it is. Can't. Okay. Oh, I need to wrap with a vertical. Wrap with a vertical. A vertical. Where's the vertical? There it is. This will be PB. F2. Hill. PB. Mana. PB. What size this? That's not. That's terrible. Never mind. I need this to be transparent. Where's the self tint? Here we go. Just transparent. There we go. The color of you need to be red. And you need to be blue. Okay. Is the progress bar not set in here? I guess not. Player, where do I set the time? I keep setting the time somewhere. Oh, right here. Okay, I'll rename that. Update. Update. Time. Update. Update. Health. PB. Update mana PB. Okay, both of these need 2 floats. Current and max. Okay. Really? Oh, you're a function, that's correct. That's why I can't see you in here. Current over max. Current over max. This will be health. This will be mana. HP. That's not what I want to do. Custom event. Date. Health. Stats. Okay, let's get this. Health. Mana. That's not what I want to do. There we go. Max health. Mana. Current. Okay. This is faulty. Why is that the way it is? Oh, I see. Sure, that'll work. Or there it is. Action against. Already have health. Current health, set current. Uh, I guess that's not what your name is here. Oh, nope, it is. Ah, I see. Okay. What is this? If it's magical and or attack, and the button name is equal to, also if it's support, it will do this. Interesting. Okay. 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 That needs to be 1 by default. Okay, health. Okay, so I need to reverse this. Hold up, that's wrong. Hold on. Where are you? This needs to be 0.8. Okay, that's not right. See if that's there. No, it's not. Well, I guess I never set up possible attacks. Let's do, where did it go? There it is. Okay. Okay. That doesn't seem to have worked. Forgot to set attack time, I see. Uh, the pause timer is getting overruled somewhere. Probably by the new attack, I see. Where did I put the game instance? Framework, there we go. Try the enemy number be like 1 for now. Okay, guess not. Okay, I see what I could do. That should have just enough offset to never overlap. That shouldn't have added that much time. Where did it go? Right here. That unpaused for a moment. I wonder why that was. Huh. That time the timer was worked fine. So why did it not the other time? Oh, I didn't set up time for that, that's right. Okay, guess it no longer matters because it's no longer happening. Okay, oh well. Hmm. Where is the Stats. There it is. Not right there. Here it is. That's not at all what I meant to do. HUD. Where's my HUD? Let's actually create a new widget. Canvas. Which one? Where are you? Appearance. There we go. What? What just? Okay. Okay. You need to be hidden. Or collapsed, rather. Collapsed. Do you not implement that? You don't. Why do you not? That's incorrect. What? Why are there two execution pins? What I meant to do was drag this. Okay. Okay. Death does not work. I am immortal. Great. Perfect. Excellent. Okay. I should have made the guy attack way faster. Also, he's doing a lot more damage than he should be. I need to check that. Okay. Let's wrap with another border. Uh, here we go. I forgot to look into his attack damage. Oops. Come on. There we go. That's incorrect. Oh. Oh. I forgot to have mana. Where did I apply the stats? That's health. Oh, it should be right here. Forgot to name that. Mana minus mana cost. So if the player doesn't have enough mana, they will let's take this out. That's not what I meant to do. If mana cost would be greater than or equal to, or no, less than or equal to. That's not the correct button. Less than or equal. I need a subtraction here. If this minus that would be greater than or equal to 0, or less than or equal to 0 rather, it needs to not work. Why? Oh. There. Okay. Uh-oh. Why did it not? That was strange. What did I mess up this time? Do these need switched or something? Why did I lose health already? Oh, it's applying it at the start of the alternative end. You need to. Um, I also need the mana cost to be more intensive so I can test it. Yeah, that's good. And that allows it, great. And that did not apply the damage. Nope. There it did randomly. Oh, why do you apply it at the start and not the end? Let's put you over here then. Okay, there we go. That's timed correctly. And now I should not be able to use Firebolt. Yep. But I can still use you. My mana goes down. Okay. So got mana, got that. Let's add the other attacks to your attack pool and get you have used mana. Actually, I think I want to add in a way so the player can see the attack or something. I need to push you up. I really need to get a new mouse that keeps freezing. You need a string. By default, you need to have no text also. I didn't put functionality in. What? This is not correct. Ah, I put it in the wrong thing. I see. I forgot the variable. Okay, then you I guess I'll place it right in front of the attack. Attack name. Expected attack. Object name. Object name. I don't care, get out of my face. Really? What error? So what's your issue? I am unseen. There was no issue, it lied to me. I completely forgot what I was testing. Oh, yeah. I need to change that. Okay, yeah, it's telling me the name. I do need to center that though. I didn't realize I made Firebolt that strong. How strong did I make Firebolt? That one shot me. Oh, all my health, 1,000. He should not have been able to use that. Where's the mana thing? Attack, nope. Right here. No, not right here. Maybe? Where did I... Oh, it is right here, I see. Let's get the mana from you. Get mana cost. Current mana. This minus this. It's less than or equal to, that's greater. Less than or equal to 0. Pick again. I also need, after it is set, I need to set current mana to this. And then attack. Firstly, I need to update stats. Okay, that should work. You cannot use Firebolt now. Neither can I. It really likes the physical attacks. And it kept going for some reason. That was wrong. That was supposed to pause there. Okay. So is there a reason why you weren't using Ice Spike, whoever I named it? Yes, because it's not a valid attack. There we go. That should. That one's a valid attack. Now will you use Ice Spike? Slash, 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 slash. You really like slash, don't you? Dang. That's not what I'm to do. This, this, this. So either I made this thing smarter than I believe I did, or it just doesn't, or it refuses to use Ice Spike. Current mana. What's your current mana? 100. Just mana cost. Let's restrict everything other than ice. Okay, it refuses to use Ice Spike. I messed up the mana thing. So if the current mana minus target mana cost. Unless I reverse to these. 100 minus 10. No, that's 90, so that should not be less than or equal to 0. Unless I made the ice spike one too much also. No, I did not. You should not have a single problem with that. Oh. Unless it's the -1 that's making it refuse. Okay, it was the -1. I see. I forgot to see if that affected its mana. Probably did. This should be Emmy. Okay, yep, no, it's not affecting the mana, it affected the health instead. That's interesting. Oh, health is back to 100. Let's see, update stats. Current max, current max. So it's not that, that's messed up. It is something else. Current health greater or less than or equal to. Probably because I set health there instead of mana. Come on. There we go. That's probably problem solved. And he uses Pierce and not magic. There we go. And yeah, it took a chunk of his magic. Okay. And then I should not be able to... No, I can run another one because that's 20, and I should have around 20 left. I should add a numerical value to the side of these. It might not be visible though. I might have to make all these bigger. Where is the... Here it is. Unless I can add text inside of here. That still might be small though. Pretty sure I can. No, I cannot. I thought that was something I could do. Unless what I'm thinking of is text with a progress bar on top. Nope, okay, can't do that. Looks like I'm adding a horizontal box to these. Horizontal box. Text. That does make it quite larger. I probably need to change the font size. It'd probably help if I click on the text block. This needs to be set. Stop. There you go. You need to be set to fill. One. How big is one? Invisible. 5 would be like that. That might. Okay, so it will be a max of 3 digits. How visible is that in game? That's not visible at all. I can't see that. I need to wrap it with a border so it can have a colored background. Wrap with a border. This one needs to size to content. The appearance. There we go. You don't have a size to content, I see. That's fine though. Does that help any at all? No, that is way too small. Okay, so let's not add the text here and let's add a separate thing that's to the side of this. Is this vertical box controlling this whole thing? Yes, it is. So I need to wrap the vertical box with the now. Wrap the border with the horizontal box. And this one will fill everything possible. Apparently not, because that's what the border will do. Okay, there we go. Got that. Instead of a progress bar, I need a text right there. Where there is. I need to get rid of that. Actually, no, because that one doesn't need one. Oh, that means I need to have spacers equivalent width of this. It'd be easier to just create a new border instead of copying and pasting. Where is appearance? Here it is. Border, then under I need. Actually, I can copy this spacer. That meant to go under, not in. There we go. I forgot to put a vertical box. Vertical box, there we go. And that will also be in the vertical box. Fill. Is that not going to reach the... I guess this isn't sized properly either. There we go, that sized better. Border, spacer. No, that's terrible. That's not going to work at all. Unless I make these fill. Okay, yeah, I might be able to get this to work. Let's make more spacers. So that's roughly there. Let's... Not there. I need this one, the very bottom one. Oh, where did that go? Why is that? Did that take up? Okay, there we go. 5 was too small. 10. It's a little too tall. I think that's going to have to be how it is, though. Hold up, is there not an overlay? There should be an overlay. Is there not an overlay? There is an overlay. I'm doing absolutely nothing to help myself. Horizontal box, I'll keep it like that, I guess. So overlay. Then you need to be as far left as you can be. You need to fill everything. Okay, if it was this big, how is that visible? If it loads. Somewhat. Okay, I can make those bars a little bit bigger with no problem. Probably like this. There we go. You're the only one that's going to stretch like that? Why? Oh, I see. No, I do not see. Probably has to do something with the overlay. Take up all the space. There we go. Yep, it definitely was something to do with the overlay. No, because this one's not changing anymore for some reason. Unless the overlay itself is having an issue. Yep, it is. There we go. That should make it equal. Okay, like that. Make the text centered. That should be big enough to read. Okay. No, that's not what I meant to do. Do not close the editor. What I was going to say is I need some opacity behind the bar. Or I need to make it not fully transparent, rather. Fill color, where's the empty color? Hold up. Percent. Hold on a second, what? I swear there were more settings for this. Can I add a color to you for a background? No, I cannot. Unless I just add a border, that would work. You need to go behind everything. And you will be slightly transparent. That might be too much. Over there, up there, there we go. Why are you're supposed to go up there, why do you come back down? And that was the content instead of its actual. 0.5. You will also be 0.5. Okay, so if there's some missing, it needs to be a little bit darker. Appearance, let's do like 0.8. Let's see how much that helps. It doesn't. Probably because of the opacity that's already on the bar, so let's remove that fully. I didn't think ahead to that. Unless for some reason it's just gray when it's empty and I'm unable to change it. Okay. And that opacity is not what I wanted. Oh, we're under opacity. Here we go. Oh, nope, that's not at all what I want either. Oh, I'm blind. It was right here. Let's do 0.8. Oh, let's make it fully black. 0.5. Maybe less black. 0.5 with a 0.5 on both. That could work. That means I can delete these borders. Oh no, that border was actually adding a more solid color. I'll keep that then. 0.5 and 0.5. Okay. I think I want to move it up some more now. Okay. Let's move it up a little more. It is a little bit hard to read, but it's probably because it's not full screened. That will probably change. Let's try this. Okay, there we go. It could be up even more. Okay, let's tie those to the health and stuff. Health text and then mono text. Okay, this will be more easy to implement than I thought it would. Where's the other one? Did I not make it a variable? I did not. Okay, that should work just fine. Something's wrong with his mana. They are not fine. So why do it be like that? Current, current, divide by current, current, current. There we go. Oh, I have these inversed. Oops. Mana should go down here. Health should go up here. That should fix it. Physical, pierce. We have the same idea apparently. Okay. Okay, if anything, I might make it slightly darker. But first, I'll want to package it and see if it functions in the browser. Take a minute or two. Just wait for it to load, or package rather. There we go. The helper, full host. Come on, pull out. There we go. Make these things visible again. Okay, full screen. Okay, yeah, that's a lot easier to read. The bar seems to be working just fine. That's not. That's spelled wrong. Oh well. Okay, yep, that works fine. Then I now need to, after the enemy's been defeated, I need to make it auto end, which is easy. Okay, apparently I'm not doing it in here. I guess I'm doing it in the character itself. Somewhere. It should be somewhere in here. Oh, here, death functions. It's in the spawn. Here the spawner is. Oh, I do have it. Build up encounter, or clean up encounter. I already had it. I just need to call it here. Failed, okay, success. So I will have failed D-checked. So it will check the number of enemies left. Where is it though, is the question. What did I just do? I opened Feedback Hub. That's not what I meant to do. I don't know why I can't search, but whatever. Unless cleanup is not in the... Yes, it is in here. Oh, it's down here. I'm blind. If not, it will... Okay. All actors of class. Spawner. If the length is not 0, actually no, if it is 0, it will end the encounter. Let's get the player character. Okay, that should function hopefully. What? Why? Oh, you. Okay, then plug you in. Okay, that should work. And just spam this. It did not like that. What happened? Loop detected in player, character, and counter. I don't know why my find results tab is just somewhat broken. Oh, I see. Okay, so the game instance needs to no, the game instance. Okay, I see. So if this is true, it'll do that. If it's not, it will do the same thing as fully. Which is... Where is it? Oh, it's not even in here. It's in this one back here. Set the oh, that's not. Oh, it's right here. There we go. It will take all this and do the same. Actually, no, I can just... Let's duplicate this. This will a successful fight. Where are there? They are. What? That's not what I meant to do. I think the engine's starting to get mad at me and it wants me to restart it, but I'll do that later. If I could type the correct thing, that would be great. Okay. Yeah, where are we gonna go? There it is. Let's just bypass this completely. And then back in here it will... You will not be the determiner of this. Okay, assuming filled is false, it will activate whatever I have that will gather materials or give player money or whatever. It'll do something. This should be fun for now. This should get the menu out of the face. Okay, it did not get the menu out of the face, that sucks. I thought this would have that under control. Because I didn't call successful fight. I see. I closed the character. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, so from here, this will then get widgets plus. It should be this one. Okay. That should work. Okay. Nope, infinite loop Y on component. Yep, because that calls it and then it calls it again and then... Oh, hold up. So this goes to the player and then from the player it needs to go to the... Okay, let's reset from fresh. Spawner goes the game instance. The game instance needs to check if spawners still exist. Okay, so if there are spawners, the length will be greater than 0. So if there are still spawners, it will deactivate. It will do nothing. If there are no spawners, it will be a successful encounter, which will then go to the widget, but the widget will go to back to the player. And then what will the player do? The player will go back to the encounter. Or I can just, I don't, wait, hold up. Why am I trying to do this from the widget? If I do this, this should actually, no, yeah? No. This is not being set. Okay, if I do that, that should stop, that should prevent. Okay. Here, attack. No, it did not. Let's print and see how many there are. Oh, it's this. I need a different. Less than or equal to. That's the one I need. Let's add a small delay just to make sure it's deleted. Also. Okay, last one. There. That's not quite correct. Okay, that to close, and I also need. What happens if I click flee then? Flee does get rid of those and resets everything. So why did that stop that even though it passed through? It shouldn't matter if it's successful or not, it should have reset all of it. Unless I do something else. I want you to be right there. Yeah, right there. That's not correct. Hold up. Okay, well, looks like I'm doing another interface. Where is it? Where is it? I know you're up here somewhere. Give rewards. I have no rewards to give, so for now it will just do that. This one. Okay, last one. Okay. It didn't do, it did the camera and everything, just not the movement for some reason. This failed for some. The engine probably needs restarted. That's probably why some things are happening. Because every time I add something or if I try to search. Oh, I guess it's fine now. Oh well. Well, anyway, I am going to actually end this one here. I will be streaming again later tonight. Maybe like 7, 8 hours later. But for now, I'm going to end this one here. If you like seeing this, I don't know what you like seeing, but if you just like whatever this is, you can subscribe it to the channel. And I'll see you then. Goodbye.